Hello, my name is Blessings Nthala, a student at DMI pursuing Diploma in Arts first year, first semester. So in this video, I'm going to talk more about the concepts of food geography. So when we say food geography, this is a branch of human geography that studies about how food is contributed to different places and people. So food geography looks at four things. The first one is how food is produced or where food is produced. The second one is how food or where food is distributed. So the third one is what people eat according to their diets. And the fourth point is how food differs from places to people, like according to their culture and their environment. So for example, in Malawi, maize is widely grown and eaten as nsima because the climate, the soil, and the cultural preferences supports it. So in short, food geography explains the link between food, places, and people. So when we talk about cultural shift, are changes over time in the beliefs, values, tradition, and everyday behaviors of group of people. Cultural shift sometimes is when the normal way of doing things in a society changes. So cultural shift has also its causes, which includes technology, globalization, education, migration, and economic changes. On the part of globalization, different cultures mix and adopt new ideas or foods. While on the part of technology, migration, and education, they focuses on new invention change lifestyles, e.g. social media, which influences communication. So on the part of migration, people movements bring about new customs and practices. For example, people moving from traditional diets to fast food, like they change dressing styles among young people. Also increased use of mobile phones instead of face-to-face communication. So in short, cultural shift shows how societies change and adopt over time. So when we talk about biological impacts simply means the effects that food has on the human body and living organisms. In food geography, it mainly refers to how what people eat affects their health, growth, and physical development. So biological impacts has four main key points, which includes nutrition and health, growth and development, disease risk, and body functioning. For example, a balanced diet with proteins, vitamins, and minerals helps the body to stay healthy, while lack of these nutrients can weaken the immune system. So in short, biological impacts shows how food affects the body and health of living things. So when we talk about cultural identity is the sense of belonging to a particular group of people based on shared traditions, beliefs, values, language, and way of life. Cultural identity has four main key aspects, which includes language, food, traditions and customs, religion and beliefs, dress and lifestyle. Dress and lifestyle focuses on how people present themselves. For example, in Malawi, eating sima, speaking local language like Chichewa, and participating in traditional ceremonies are all part of cultural identity. So, in short, cultural identity is what makes a group of people unique and connected through their shared culture.